I have a negative under a square root. I'm not supposed to have that. Do you know how to fix that? Take an I out. Yes. So I'm going to take an I out because anytime you have a negative under a square root, you get to take an I out. Okay. Oh gosh, I messed up on the study guide key. I just caught a mistake. Oh, I erased. I saw my mistake, but I didn't erase it well enough. Now you're going to break down the square root. So 18. What are two factors of 18? 9 and 2. 3 and 3. So what can you take out from the square root? 3 can come out. I's already out there. This is the main reason I got to teach this. I have to teach this today because you'll have to know whenever you're solving my quadratic formula, you have to be able to take an I out. Now, you already knew that, but whenever you have a negative under square root, you have to take an I out. Now, I didn't need to teach you all that because you're geniuses, but that's the way. If I was a good teacher, that's why I'm teaching this today. 8's 4 and 2, so I'm going out of order in the book. But I'm teaching it a lot different. I'm teaching it differently in the book. I just don't agree with the sequencing. So I have 2i square root of 2. Do you know what 3i squared root of 2 minus 2i squared root of 2 is? Anybody guess? Yeah, this would be 1i squared root of 2. Okay. Can't cheat on these. Okay, or at least not in your calculator, so you're stuck on these. Negative 1 plus the square root of negative 5 squared. What does that mean? Negative 1 plus the negative square root of 5. You're going to do this, multiply it by itself. Now, do y'all want to kill two birds with one stone here? Dorothy, don't get mad at me. When I rewrite this, what could I do with this square root of negative 5? Put the I on the outside. I don't want to just do that, so I don't have to do extra steps here. Let me look at your homework while I'm looking at this. I did earlier, but I just want to look at it. No. Okay. Now we're going to multiply what's negative 1 times negative 1. Negative 1 times I squared of 5 be minus I squared of 5 because negative 1 times I be negative I. What's negative 1 times I squared of 5? Negative I squared of 5. Because you just do negative 1 times I, which is negative 1I, and then square root of 5. And then I times I is what? And then square root of 5 times square root of 5? Positive 5. Oh, it's the square root of 25. I went too fast there. I'm sorry. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is the square root of 25, which is 5. So the square root of a number times the square root of that same number is just the number underneath it. Like the square root of 10 times square root of 10 is 10. Square root of 20. Which y'all, Lauren's like, I already knew that, but. What's I squared? Negative 1. So 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Negative I squared of 5 minus I squared of 5. This is a mess. Negative 1 minus 1. Negative 2I squared of 5. Jeez. This last one will be on your test. I'm going to slow down here. I was going to look at the homework as you are doing that. I looked at it this morning, but let me look at it again. 10 questions on the homework. One is easy money. All right. This one will be on your test, okay? So y'all got to get this right. What's the problem you see first here? Good job. Caitlin's all over it. Let's break this down. I should have taken an I out first. Dang it. Okay. So you take an I out. And then you got to break down that square root. 1's easy money. 2's easy money. It's 10 questions. 3's easy money. I'm telling you, get these done. 4's easy money. 5 is easy. 6 is easy. 7 you could cheat on. 2 through 7 you could cheat on. Then 8 you got to start working a little bit. Okay. 50 is, let's do 25 and 2. It's 5 and 10. 5 and 5. So it'd be 5I squared root of 2 because you take out a 5. 8, you'll have to do a little bit of work on. It's not that bad, though. 9 is just like, 9's like this one. 8's like this one, 9's like this one. And 10, I'm guessing, is like this one. 10's like this one. And this one will be on your test. 5i squared root of 2. What am I supposed to do here? If I was a good person, what should I do? Split them up. Split them up. I'm going to split them up right now. And then if you could simplify. Now, you can't do anything with what's underneath it, but you can simplify the coefficients in front. So that would be like reduce the fraction. They both have a factor of 5, so it'd be negative 5/3. 5/15 would be I square root of 2 divided by 3. And that's your answer.